I'm Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's tap video, I want to break down a Rockette tap combo. Let's get to it. Okay, so I saw this on the internet, and the Rockettes were doing it. I don't know why. They were just in workout clothes. I don't know if it was for fun, for practice, if they were going to give it for an audition combo. I don't know the choreographer, or I would give them credit, but it is from the Rockettes, so I give them credit. It was not to music, it's an a cappella piece, and it's counted to sixes, so I thought that was kind of cool. So anyway, I just taught it to myself, and I'm going to break it down for you. All right, it starts with a riff on the right side, a 3-count riff. Tap, tap, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to do a maxi forward with a pullback. On our left, step, paradiddle, 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 stomp. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6. I made that work. All right, then we're going to do brush, heel, step, shuffle, ball, change, step. Those are very light. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6. Bump, 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 bump. Okay. Then they switch places. So for them, it was more like a chaîné step turn, but I don't have anyone to change places with. So I'm just doing a little turn in myself, starting to my right. So it's just a little drag, step, step. And the arms came down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then we're going to start with on our right, step, shuffle, ball, change, step, shuffle, ball, change, toe, heel. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to go up on our toes, and it's step, ball, change, step, ball, change. Then a little coupe out. So you come under and you kind of cut that foot out from underneath, and pas de bourrée, step, step. So pas de bourrée is just stepping back, step to the side, step together. So that's 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4, 5 and a 6. Bump, 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 bump. Next, 2 more counts of 6 and we're done. Next is step, ball, change, step, ball, change, step, step. And you have to be sure you're on the balls of your feet because we're going to prep to do a double pullback. So it's bump, 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 pull back. Okay? So that's 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4, 5 and a 6. Okay. Then you're going to quarter it to your left, and it's scuff, hop, step, toe in back, scuff, hop, step, hit the side of your tap, and then step, step, resolve. Elbows at your side and a little point to the front. And that's it. That is the combination. Okay. So doing it with the arms, adding the arms. These are no big deal arms. They're very relaxed. No big showy arms. All right. So it starts out arms to the side for the riff, tap, tap, step, maxi forward, little shoulders with paradiddles. Paradiddle, paradiddle, paradiddle. Stomp, brush, hop, step, shuffle, ball, change. Like I said, around for the turn, then just out, shuffle, ball, change, toe, heel. Now they come up to here for the step, ball, change, cut around, look to the side, bump, 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 bump. Then they push, bump, 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 set up for the double pullback. Then the arms kind of go with the scuff, hop, step, toe in, back, scuff, hop, step, down, and resolve. Those are your arms. Okay, so I'm always used to tapping with, I do show tap. So I'm always used to tapping to a song song with words or a song with music. You know, on this channel, I love to break it down with words. Or at least tapping with other dancers that help keep me with the rhythm. And I always say stay to the rhythm, stay true to the rhythm, and don't go above the pace or the rhythm. So with no one else with me, and there's no, I don't like to count. I always feel it with the music or the words. So this is kind of hard for me to do an a cappella piece. And I never really count. So I'm going to try. I'm going to kind of hum a tune or a beat in my head. I don't know. We'll try. We'll just go with it. All right. Here we go. And starting with that riff. And bum 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 dun 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 bum 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 turn and dun 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 Okay, there you go. I hope you like that. Don't forget to click and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next.